Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to be talking about Taurus, the second sign of the Zodiac, while I make a Taurus-themed mosaic. This video is more for those who have Taurus as their sun, moon, or rising ascendant signs. Taurus, also known as the bull, is the second sign of the Zodiac. The sun is in Taurus from April 20th, 22nd to May 20th, 22nd. Taurus is one of the fixed signs of the Zodiac. The other ones are Leo, Scorpio, and Aquarius. The fixed signs represent the middle of each season. Taurus is the middle of spring in the northern hemisphere and the middle of autumn in the southern hemisphere. Fixed signs are known for their determination and focus, which can also be interpreted as stubbornness. Because of their commitment, determination, and strength, the fixed signs always finish what they start. They help the cardinal signs Aries, Cancer, Libra, and Capricorn carry out their ideas and visions. Taurus is a fixed earth sign that is ruled by Venus, the planet of love, beauty, art, and nature, meaning that Taurus is a sign that enjoys spending time in nature and visiting places like museums or restaurants, and doing things like dancing or singing. People who have Taurus as their sun, moon, or rising sign always enjoy the little things in life and spending time with their loved ones. The colors that Taurus likes the most are pastel colors, especially the color pink. Because Taurus is a fixed sign, they really dislike all sorts of change, and they can be incredibly stubborn and rigid in all areas of life. They dislike arguing, and sometimes it's hard for them to express what they really feel or think. They believe that if they do, they may hurt the feelings of the people around them. That's why Taurus is very slow to get angry. It's very hard for Taurus people to let go of things, whether it's material objects, places, people, emotions, and even the past. That's why Taurus people need to learn that it's okay to let go of the things and situations that they no longer need, and to keep moving forward in life without being burdened by the weight of being too attached to too many things. Other life lessons Taurus needs to learn are: learn to be more flexible with their plans, learn that they don't have control over everything, and learn that change can be good. Taurus people can be good artists, singers, dancers, working in the beauty or fashion industry, and working in the banking or finance industry. They can also work in any job that requires cooking, like a gourmet chef, or spending time with plants and nature like a botanist. The other zodiac signs that Taurus can get along well with, or even be in a relationship with, are the other earth signs, Virgo and Capricorn. Taurus can also get along well with Libra, an air sign, because they both share the same planetary ruler, which is Venus. Taurus can also get along well with the water signs, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Taurus is a sign that can teach the other zodiac signs how to connect more with nature, how to enjoy everything that life has to offer, and how to take better care of their health by connecting more with their body. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to like and subscribe. May the universe bless you. Until next time.